Victim is item number 63, Lordship. I have taken consent from the other side, Lordship.
Lordship, I am
This
from
matter-
the petition.
This matter may be adjourned for today and fixed, Lordship.
Lordship,
Next.
as a interim may be continued.
Your name,
Yeah, Muslim, Lordship.
Mr. M. Hussain, appearing for the applicant in the IA. Raised for 2 weeks' time. Prayer made is not objected to by the council for the respondent. Opposite party writ petition. Placed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, as a interim may be continued.
Interim will continue if it is there.
Lordship, with the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 48. The matter may be adjourned for the day.
You are for
The petition.
writ petition, item 48 stands here for the date.
Much obliged.
One mention made by Mr. So council for the petition. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, my prayer is for listing, Lordship, the matter regarding compassionate appointment, long pending matter, Lordship, are already before this honorable court disposed of similar matters, so we want similar relief. So kindly matter may be taken on Friday or next Monday.
Monday.
Much obliged.
May it please the Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. The matter has become infructuous, Lordship.
Item 40, only prayer made by the council for petitioner. That the matter has become infructuous. The petition is dismissed as infructuous, interim order with any.
Lordship, I'm appearing for Accountant General. A. Borua.
Pending eyes are also dismissed. Item 40,
14.
1-4.
1-4. You are for petitioner.
Petition.
Matter stands dismissed as infructuous, interim order with any stand vacated. Mr.
A.
Borua.
Borua. A. Borua on behalf of Mr. C. Borua for
A.
Accountant General.
Borua on behalf of CO. Accountant General is there, here, item 14.
I was
1-4.
informed. Trina Dekama.
Accountant General, Sailu Weber, Assembly. Appears for the parties. Yes, sir.
God bless.
Lordship, I'm on behalf of Mr. I. Rafiq. We are not pressing this case.
Counsel for the petitioner on instruction submits that writ petition is not pressed by the writ petitioner. Accordingly, same stands dismissed. As not pressed, interim orders, if any stand vacated, pending eyes are also dismissed. Your name
And Chakravarti.
and Chakravarti. Counsel appears for the writ petitioner, MS R. Devi, for learned counsel for CGC.
May I please, Your Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day, Lordship.
The prayer made by the counsel for petitioner is next week. Mr. J. Chutia for the
That's what about 2 only.
respondent 2.
Well, in this case, well, his something is lacking in his application. He has to submit some documents, my lords.
Lordship,
It supposed to be. His proposal was submitted, it was returned by the office of the
Mr. D. Ugoy, London Standing Council Forest, on
officer.
instruction submits that proposal forwarded by the Forest Department to the Accountant General.
No, my lords, it's within the department. PCCF had submitted a proposal to the secretary, my lords.
Lordship, these are not the documents relevant that needs to be submitted by the Lordship petition.
Submits that the documents required to be sought for by the, required to be submitted by the petitioner have not been submitted by the petitioner. He has placed, he submits that a copy of the said communication has also been shared with the counsel for the petitioner. There are Mr. D. Horman, counsel for the petitioner, on the other end submits that the documents sought for are not at all relevant for the payment of GIS monthly contributions. Evening. You want to file an additional affidavit or something?
No, my lord, he
Let him-
can
let
take
them file
instructions,
their-
no, my lord, he can take instructions from his client because this only petitioner will know. This is something beyond our. I'm giving him a copy, let the matter.
We are recording it in the order you are furnishing a copy.
Yes, yes.
Of the communication.
Yeah.
Mr. D. Sharma submits that he be permitted to obtain instructions list again after 2 weeks.
My lord.
And date may be fixed because this is pension matter.
You make a mention if required. After 2 weeks, get your instructions.
I'll have-
Thank you, Your Lordship. My lord, in this matter, my lord, my learned friend has relied on division bench decision electoral that is matter. I have discussed with my client, my lord, and my lord, one judgment, my lord, the present petitioner, my lord, in the year of 2010, my lord, he was as a grade 4 employee, he was promoted to LD assistant, my lord. After 3 months of his promotion, my lord, he was again, my lord, that promotion was cancelled. Then they approached before this honorable court, and this honorable court has passed this order, my lord. So I like to brought this judgment, my lord. Only 1 week time I'm playing. Next week, lordship, anything fixed in the matter, I'll file one additional affidavit so that lordship can dispose of entire matter, considering my grievance, my lord.
Personal post.
Whether they are saying the personal post, my lord, yes, my lord, my post is, my lord, that division bench decided on issue 2005 on notification issued by the finance, my lord. They have only some post created, my
All
lord.
right, Mr. P. K. Deca, counsel for the petitioner.
1 week
for
only,
2
my
weeks time, 2 weeks
2 weeks, my lord.
time to bring on record,
Date
copy
may
of
be
the order passed by the court. Filed by the petitioner
My lord, along with some other petitioners, petitioners approached this court.
in a writ petition which was filed by the petitioner along with other writ petitioners. List again after 2 weeks, Mr. R. Dhor appears for the PWD.
My lord. Deeply obliged, my lord. Section.
Item 6.
Lord, this is regarding Lord appointment of Anganwadi workers. Now, my Lord, Lordship kindly see our limited period, my Lord, before the concerned authority, my Lord, the petitioner being a disabled person. She is entitled for the, my Lord, benefit under 3% quota. That has not been considered. And after the advertisement, she applied and she filed the presentation before the competent authority. No response was given. Finally, she filed representation before the Honorable Chief Minister. Lordship will find at page 42.
For 52,
42, my lord.
42. Where is the advertisement?
Advertisement Lordship will find at page
21, my lord.
21.
Only one post, my lord.
Their Lordship will find page 23, para 13. 3% reservation is prescribed.
How many posts?
One post, my lord.
Huh?
Now,
One post only.
one post,
One post.
Oh, how can be?
but Lordship kindly see, I have, my lord,
No,
explained, my
but
lord,
it says 51 number of posts.
page 9, my lord,
Page 21,
Page 21.
51 number of posts.
No, no, my lord. He'll have 51 number Anganwadi worker. 51 number Anganwadi center. Oh, 51 post.
Huh?
It is not clear. Filling up 51 number Anganwadi worker.
How many posts?
the particular center is, my lord, one post.
No, no.
But as a
particular-
whole, my lord, 51 post has been advertised.
Ah,
But it is
so
not
how
clear.
is the reservation to be affected?
Now, because the, my lord, earlier, there are, my lord, 450 numbers of Anganwadi workers.
You are asking for implementation of rule, condition 13.
13.
13.
Now, in Anganwadi, what happens is the person has to satisfy certain preconditions.
My lord.
Within the locality
Yes, yes.
is one of the grounds.
So that is there. That is there.
Now, how is this reservation to be affected?
Now, since, my lord,
There is one post in one center
yes,
and the person who's selected
my lord.
may be a physically person with disability,
My lord.
may not be a resident of that particular center.
She is resident of particular center. my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, but
Sotia, please get your instructions. here.
Yes, sir.
Third counsel for parties, the petitioner is agreed that notwithstanding the reservation,
51 number.
reflected in the advertisement dated 1/11/2024, or 3% of 3% for persons with disability, for physical handicapped female candidates. The appointments are made,
Not yet made.
selection complete,
Interview was not held,
not held.
not held.
The
November 2024 advertisement.
application of the petitioner. Did you submit your application?
Yes, we submitted. We have,
Not accepted.
it was accepted. I am being shortlisted, but the respondent number 6, we have made here party Malad. He has been projected to be selected,
For that particular center.
that particular center. So she is made party respondent number 6.
The manager, in response to the advertisement dated 1/11/2024, inviting application for 51 numbers of Anganwadi workers / helper, we filled up under the CDPO Lakhipur ICDS project Walpara. Petitioner applied for her candidature, submitted her candidature. Stop. Petitioner is a physically is a physically disabled candidate and has procured a disability certificate which reflects that she has 70% permanent disability. So,
It is ballot for reserve for
the
general open category ballot.
counsel for the petitioner submits that although 3% reservation is reflected in the advertisement and the petitioner had applied for the said post, and the petitioner being a disabled person, the authorities proceeded to select the private respondent number 6 for the post of Anganwadi worker, helper, for which center?
Changeralga Anganwadi Center.
Where does one find it?
Our lordship will
Where have
find-
you mentioned?
Lordship will find page 26, serial number 3, Malad. Particular Malad, Changeralga.
এটা লেখা নাই ইংলিশ তো
What is the name?
Changeralga.
Sengeralga.
Or this
Page
type
56.
copy, advertisement type copy is not properly translated. In Assamese vernacular, there is a reservation quota has been shown, page 27. It is not shown in the type copy. Page 27, the Montoy Hadan Seni Onusuto Janajati, that has been shown, but it is not typed in the English copy, translated copy.
Page 32, vernacular. It says, শারীরিকভাবে অক্ষম মহিলার প্রার্থী পদ করা 3% পদ সংরক্ষিত থাকিব।
For the so-and-so center, no? It is the submission of the petitioner that in spite of the petitioner being the most eligible candidate, however, she has been overlooked and the private respondent number 6 has been appointed. Stop. Being agreed, the present writ petition has been filed. Madam. At this stage, the court considers it appropriate to permit the respondents represented by Mr. T.C. Sotia, additional senior government advocate, to complete his instructions in the matter. List again, how much time you want?
2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks. He listed after 2 weeks. Mr. Sotia be furnished with sufficient extra copies. And any further appointments that may be made to respondent 6 will be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
My lord, another writ petition, my lord,
One
challenging the.
minute.
Like, he says, my lord, selection process is not completed, my lord. Not completed.
No, we are listing it again on 10th of November. 10 November.
10 no. My lord, along with my lord, another writ petition, my lord.
Hmm.
We have challenged the my lord, legality and validity of the
Listed today.
respondent number 6.
Is
No,
it
my lord,
list-
it should be listed along with WBC number 6801.
No.
2024.
Is it listed today?
Not yet listed.
No, you mentioned that matter along with this.
My lord,
Yes.
God bless you.
You serve extra copies within the course of the day.
Item 7. Wait, legal lordship. Lordship, this is regarding rejection by the PST board on the ground of chest lordship, expansion chest lordship. The requirement for chest measurement, your lordship will find at page 32, part of the advertisement lordship. Page.
So why did you not file the appeal?
So he did not know about the appeal provision lordship.
You did not know what can be done.
But other candidates, they have been allowed by this honorable court.
Yes, madam, what do you say?
Some other cases, honorable court allowed and remand back that to remeasure.
You want, we will give you 2-3 days time to
Yes,
obtain
sir.
instructions.
Yes,
Let
sir.
it be on Monday.
Yes.
Give her an extra copy. Heard counsel for parties, petition be listed on 27th, enabling the learned CGC MSS Borwa to obtain her instructions in the matter. Petitioner is agreed that his candidature for appointment into the services is rejected on the ground that he does not satisfy the requirement of chest
Expanded.
expansion measurement.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the petitioner before your lordship is presently serving as zonal housing officer at Assam State Housing Board.
Hmm.
But the post of chief administrative officer fell vacant on January 2024. And he being the aspirant, he made an application representation before the chairman. That has not been considered. Lordship, may kindly turn to page 20, annexure 6. Hello. It will also got in my note.
Hmm.
Well, on attainment of the date of superannuation another 60 years on so and so, Utpal Hazare Chief Administrative Officer Housing Board is hereby released from service with effect from so and so. Lordship will kindly see the note below at point 2. Sri Dhanjit Das, he is the respondent number 5. Assistant Referral Officer has been given charge of the post of Chief Administrative Officer. My lord, he is quite junior to me. And my lord, as per rules, the person who has officiated for 15 years of as in the officer's post of the board is to be considered, my lord. And there, my lord, lordship may kindly see that rule is
This is
also,
only temporary.
he has been temporarily given, but
Ah.
he's, my lord, as I am available there, my lord, I have completed and my retirement is on May 2026, only 8 months service is left off.
Hmm.
Lordship may kindly see the rules also.
Yes.
Instruction is required, lordship, as because of he is temporarily engaged in that post, lordship.
How much time do you require?
At least
State
2 weeks, lordship.
instruction? Huh?
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks time for this short instruction. Get it by next week.
Lordship.
Wednesday next, my lord.
Huh?
Next Wednesday, my lord.
29th.
Lordship.
You get it by 29th. In
the
respect of what have you done regarding the representation file? Where is the representation?
Page 14, my lord. There are 3 representations.
Not a single one considered.
No, my lord. Page 21 is the first representation on 14th.
Which
of
is the latest?
latest, my lord, page 24.
You
Yes.
get instructions what has happened to the representation.
Lords. And my lord, in the meantime, they will not give any regular appointment to respondent number 5. That's my allegation, my lord. They are contemplating.
What does the rule say?
Rule, my lord, lordship, kindly turn to page number 3 of that last page, my lord. Part 2. Lordship has seen the administration column down below. Administrative officer, it says, in case of direct recruitment, the educational qualification will be graduate with minimum 10 years of experience in administrative line. In case of promotion, the post will be filled up from assistant administrative officer and registered according to the suitability. Now, Lordship will also kindly turn to the Board of Directors resolution at page 27. Pursuant to this rule, they have done this. Annexure 12. I have given the translated type copy of the relevant portion. Lordship, you can kindly turn to page 29, the original resolution, madam. Page 29, the last one. Agenda number 13, capital A. The Board of Directors discussed the matter in threadbare and approved the proposal for appointment of a qualified and efficient officer of minimum qualification of graduation in any stream and also having at least 15 years of experience in an officer rank post of the board with proven record of service. The board also approved the post to be declared ex-cadre. Well, this resolution was taken pursuant to this rule, and Lordship may kindly turn to page 31. The next of 14. Well, this is order dated 18 to 2021, whereby Sri Tanjit Das, the respondent number 5, has been appointed in the post of assistant research officer in the office of commissioner. Well, he has been promoted from senior assistant to assistant in the year 2021.
Have you challenged it?
But this I have not said, and I am not agreed by this, my lord. I am agreed by his giving charge of this post, my lord. And I am officiating in the official rank post since 2007. I have enclosed this order.
Giving charge is a temporary phase.
Yes, my lord. With temporary is okay, my lord. But I am retiring, my lord. I should get it. I should get.
You are now presently working as
I am presently working as zonal housing officer.
junior housing officer.
No, zonal, my lord.
Zonal housing.
Zonal.
And what is the next higher post?
Well, from zonal housing, well, maybe it will be administrative officer only, because the earlier person who retired from the post of civil, he was promoted from zonal housing officer to the chief administrator. That I have stated. Lordship will get that statement at page 7. There are 9, page 7 of my petition.
Yes.
Well, on the top, I will read, my lord, page 7. It be stated that Utpal Hazari, who retired as a chief administrative officer, Assam State Housing Board on 13/1/2024, was also promoted to the said post while he was officiating as zonal housing officer, Assam State Housing Board, my lord. So by this procedures, I am the senior most officer working, my lord. No officer has senior to me, my lord. I am the senior most. That statement is also there. Only few months service I have, my lord. If I am promoted, my lord, I will get some benefit, my lord.
Right, you get your instructions.
Lots
Vice Counsel for Parties. Petitioner is agreed. Petitioner is presently serving as zonal housing officer under the Assam State Housing Board. Petitioner claims that he being the senior most under the service rules, he is to be given promotion to the next higher post of Chief Administrative Officer, Assam State Housing Board. His representations before the authorities have not been redressed. That apart, pursuant to the superannuation of
Utpal Hazari was his name.
where is that order?
Page 20. Annexure 6.
Pursuant to the superannuation of Chief Administrative Officer, Assam State Housing Board, Sri Utpal Hazari. It is the private respondent,
Respondent number 5.
number 5, who has been given the temporary charge of the Chief Administrative Officer overlooking the claims of the writ petitioner, even though the petitioner is the senior most zonal housing officer. So it is submitted that under the rules, the post of senior the Chief Administrative Officer, it is submitted that under the rules, the zonal housing officer is also one of the feeder cadres for filling up the post of senior administrative officer on promotion. Being agreed, he has filed a writ petition. Mr. T. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Assam State Housing Board.
Lords.
Prays for time to obtain his instructions. Let the matter be listed again on 29th of October, enabling Mr. Gogoi to obtain his instructions. Stop in order to enable Mr. Gogoi to complete his instructions. Extra copies be furnished within the course of the day.
Yes, my lord.
Today, please accordingly.
In the meantime, they will not take any steps, my lord. One
If they
line.
take, then you have to challenge it because this is temporary.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
May it please your lordships. Petitioner before your lordships was working as a superintendent in the office of the circle officer, my lord. He was arrested by the anti-corruption bureau, my lord. Then he was arrested by the deputy commissioner order, fight order dated 10/30/2024. He was suspended, my lord. Then Sokos
Still under
notice.
suspension.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, after suspension, my lord, Sokos notice was issued and he was replied, my lord. Then
Is the stage of the proceeding?
departmental proceeding has been completed, but nothing has been done. That's why I approached before this.
Yes, Mr.
Status, lordship. I will bring the status.
Status.
Yes.
All right. 29th,
Obliged.
29th, Mr.
Lordship, 29, lordship.
Guwahati.
Lordship, 29.
All right. MSK Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner who was serving as superintendent in the office of the circle officer, Kamalpur, Revenue Circle, under the district of Kamrup, was placed under suspension on 3/0/11/2024. No, sorry. 3/0/10/2024. Stop. Pursuant thereto, show cause notice was issued and the proceedings were initiated. Stop. As per the information available, the proceedings have concluded, but no orders have been passed. And the petitioner continues to be under suspension without review. Being agreed, present writ petition is filed. Madam Mr. J.K. Goswami, additional senior government advocate, submits that he would like to complete his instructions in the matter. Is agreed to by both councils, list again on 29th of October. In order to enable Mr. Goswami to complete instructions, extra copies be furnished.
Lordship, I get it. So,
Yes.
already obtained.
Obliged.
This matter relates to recovery of excess royal mail. 1,13,620 from my pensionary bills.
Already recovered.
Already recovered, sir.
Yeah, we issue notice. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Our council for parties issue notice. Returnable for which MSS Borua appears for
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. And Mr. A. Borua appears for respondent number 4 and 5.
6 and 7, Lordship.
And Mr. P. Nayak, starting council finance, represents respondents 6 and 7. Since the respondents are represented, notices are waived, extra copies be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. list after returnable date.
My lord, two similar matters are pending, my lord. In one matter, there is no date. In one matter, the matter is.
On the
picked up.
next day, you make a mention.
11.
Petitioner has already retired from service in 2023, and they have been superseded by the juniors. And this court has directed to give all the benefit. And this court earlier directed to give their promotion. Because junior has been promoted. Junior has, here the petitioner has been promoted. And seniority also restored. But petitioner has not been given the financial benefit and the upper promotion. Now petitioner has approached that petitioner should be given at least the notional benefit of promotion.
No, but you said promotion has been given?
Promotion to the post of sub-inspector has been given in 2016. Junior has been given in 2013. So petitioner has prayed immediately to give the notional benefit of promotion.
That has got.
That has not been given.
That has not been given.
That has not been given. File has been processed by the finance department. Everything is done. But
What is the direction of this court earlier?
to dispose the representation filed by the petitioner considering the facts. Petitioner has been promoted in 2016
Pursuant to filing of the writ petition.
after filing of the petition after orders of Mulk court. And Lordship will find the seniority has been restored. Lordship will kindly see page 65.
So only the financial benefit is not there.
No.
You are praying for financial benefit.
Financial.
Heard counsel for parties issue notice returnable 4 weeks. MSS Borwa. Learned counsel represents
1, 2, and 3.
respondent 1, 2, and 3, Mr. D. Chakraborty for respondent number 4. What about pro forma?
3 of them.
No claim. Since no claim is made against the pro forma respondent, this is a not issue. So far as the respondents 1, 2, 3, 4 are concerned, since they are represented by the council, notices are waived, extra copies we furnished within a period of 1 week from today. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I'm appearing for 1 and 2 and 3.
1 and 2, 3
Yes.
Mr. Nayak and 4 Mr. Chakraborty.
Obligers.
Against 12.
Lordship, may please, my lord. I'm working as a Naik Subedar in Army, Your Lordship. What happened, I preferred an application for ditchers from service because I've already,
Is it not before armed forces?
no. This one, because I'm challenging transfer here.
Ah.
So Lordship, I have made that environment merit petition.
You're challenging what? Transfer.
Only the transfer and release order. And the other aspect, I've already preferred an application because Lordship here, this Armed Forces Tribunal Act specifically bars, my lord. Except this one, Your Lordship, that transfer posting order will not be entertained there.
Armed Forces Tribunal. Yes. Which paragraph you stated here?
Lordship,
Any specific?
Yes, yes.
developments?
Section 3, my lord. Section 3 of the Armed Forces, para 27. That the petitioner makes to state as per Section 3 of the Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007, which defines service matters, does not include transfers and postings, including the change of place or unit or posting, whether individually or as a part of unit. Section 3, my lord.
Which is the order you are challenging here?
Lordship, I have challenged the
30
order dated, my lord.
34 and 35 page.
Yes. 34 and 35. I have preferred two application. One was approved, even two petitions are approved. And Your Lordship, my case is pending before the authority situated in Bangalore, whereas they have prepared the pension papers. In that event of the matter, my release by way of rejecting my application dated by another application dated 7/8/2025, which I have also preferred by me, my lord, and whereby they have rejected my prayer, and Your Lordship, they have issued a release order. and which would be effective on 25/10/2025. Page 34, 35, my lord. My ditcher's application is at the final stage, and I have a specific environment, your lordship. They have prepared the pension papers also, because I have fulfilled all the criteria for ditchers, my lord. Lordship, may kindly have a look, my lord, page 34. Reference personal application number August 25. The case for extension of tenure so-and-so unit has been examined in due deliberation by the competent authority. However, the same is not feasible due to that following reasons. Tenure of JCO has already extended once by 6 months after cancellation of posting issued by headquarter. JCO has already completed 30 months tenure with present unit against the authority of 24 months. Movement dated JCO has already been expired. JCO stands posted headquarters so-and-so will lead to delay of movement of present income in serving with headquarters so-and-so, a minor so-and-so, lordship, that's an abbreviation. And next page.
What is the ground for challenge here?
My lord, since my ditches application, which I preferred in the month of May, my lord, is at the final stage. And I have got specific lordship
Discharge on the health ground.
health ground as well as personal inconvenience, my lord, and they have approved it's at the final stage. My learned friend will obtain instruction to that effect. In that event of the matter, my release from the present place of posting and impugn order of transfer is bad in law, your lordship, since I've already preferred that application.
Only thing is that here the 34 page says that already once they had extended 6 months. However, in the
So the ground is that if she is to be released, if he is to be released, why unnecessarily transferring? That's the only ground. Heard MS P. Bhuya, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
P. Bhumi.
P. Bhumi. And MS Counsel and Counsel by CBC for the state for all the respondents. Petitioner is, you are appearing for respondent 10 also.
President, welfare, army welfare.
8, up to 8.
yes, lordship.
Representing up to 8. Notice at this stage is not issued to. Why respondent 9 and 10?
10, I have preferred, my lord. My wife has preferred an application before the Army Wives Welfare Association.
How can a writ court issue a direction?
May not be done.
And what about 9? Why have you named him by person?
Also, at this stage, it may not be required.
You strike it off.
My lord.
Item the respondents 1 to 8. Notice at this stage is not issued to respondent 9 and 10. The grievance of the petitioner is that he's been transferred and posted by order dated 8 September 2025. This is the order, 8 September.
Transfer order is
As
page
per order
35.
28/7/2025.
34 or 35?
Page 34 is a rejection of my application. Along with that, the impugn order of release has been issued. And date of effect
by
is
the impugn order dated. What is this date of the order? 28 July.
28 July, and effective date would be 25/10/2025. I know it's mentioned 1.4 clause.
1.4.
My lord. JC 6782 so and so. Date is mentioned, my lord.
Order
Last but
dated
one.
28th of July 2025, which is to take effect on 25/10/2025. Stop the application filed by the petitioner seeking extension of at the present place of posting also is rejected by order dated 8th of September 2025. So it is submitted by the Learned Senior Counsel that the petitioner has already preferred an application seeking what is the term that you use? What are you seeking?
Premature retirement.
Premature retirement on personal grounds as well as health grounds. So it is the submission of the Senior Counsel that the matter is at the final stages of approval. And if it is approved, then the petitioner will be considered to have been discharged with the effective date mentioned in such discharge order. And in which case, the transfer from his present place of posting to which place you are posted?
Rajasthan, my lord.
Rajasthan.
No, it's in
No, not
Leh.
Leh. Leh.
Leh.
Huh?
What is Leh?
Headquarter 4 sector RR Leh.
Leh. To Leh in Ladakh would not be necessary. So, at this stage, the learned CGC is permitted to complete instructions as to the status of the process of the application for seeking discharge from the services by the writ petition bureau. Stop. Let this matter be listed again on 31st
Lordship.
of October. Although notices are not issued, sufficient extra copies be furnished to the learned CGC within the course of the day to complete our instructions.
Lordship, I pray for, I'll be released otherwise, my lord, on 25.
Till the next date fixed, the transfer order dated so and so shall not be given effect to insofar as the writ petitioner is concerned.
Lordship, transfer and release order may not be,
Not given effect to, that's all. Transfer order not given effect to.
because they'll release, my lord, 25/10.
Or you say no release order be issued in respect of the impugned transfer order insofar as the writ petitioner is concerned. Till the next date fixed, 31st.
Of Lehs.
For motion item 58.
Matter is fixed for instruction, Lordship.
Yes, provisional pension.
Provisional by lordship, so verbal instruction, the petitioner was, the payslip issued by the AG was a ranger lordship. Thereafter, he was promoted. Now, the promotion.
You go through the instructions properly.
Very well, lordship.
We'll call it up after a while.
Very well.
Yes.
69.
So otherwise, the transfer matter, the challenge was, I'm for a respondent, Nasib. The challenge was basically that he was at a fag end of his career and his son was in class 10. So therefore, transfer at this moment is difficult for him. I do not know, they're not appearing today.
So you consider his case?
It's already been considered, in fact, because the difficulty was he had to leave his headquarters, I mean his quarter. So now the oil has issued an order saying that he can keep the quarter for the son to stay and give his examination.
No, that is not his prayer. His prayer is that his son is appearing for the boards.
Yes, and the difficulty therefore is if he is transferred, he has to leave his quarter. Then where will the son stay? So now I have a communication from the authorities saying that you are advised to apply to retain the quarter till exam of your son is over.
Well, we'll call up after a while.
Or maybe lots of next any date lots of. Today I'll have some difficulty. His name is shown otherwise also.
Why can't you wait for a while?
For a while,
We'll call it up.
Yes, boss.
Yes.
My lord, matter relates to my lord, promotion to the private respondent, my lord, without following the seniority and without approving of the competent authority, my lord. Impugn order is case, my lord. 52.
You are challenging whose promotion?
My lord, the private respondent.
Serial number?
My lord, serial number. Respondent number, my lord.
How
From
many
9 to
petitioners? How many petitioners?
3 petitions, my lord.
Huh?
From respondent number 9 to my lord. 32. Now, my lord, as per the gradation list, my lord, they are junior to the petitioner, my lord. And their promotion even is granted, my lord, without the approval of the appointing authority, my lord.
You are challenging promotion for how many persons?
My lord, from respondent number 9 to 32.
But
Now, my
you are,
lord,
you are
here,
entitled to only 3 posts.
yes, man.
Then why are you challenging their promotion?
No, my lord, it will, my lord, affect the seniority, my lord.
So seniority is a different issue.
My lord. My lord, because in this gradation list, my lord,
Are you promoted or not promoted?
not promoted, my lord.
Not promoted.
Not promoted.
So you are challenging somebody's promotion because you have been overlooked.
Yes, my lord.
Then after you are promoted, then the question of seniority will come.
My lord, already they have been promoted, my lord. Now the seniority, now they are promoted deputy, post of deputy ranger, my lord.
Why are you challenging their promotions?
My lord, because they are the junior, my lord.
So you are entitled to only 3 posts.
Yes, 3 posts, my lord.
Then how many posts do you want?
3 posts, my lord.
Then why are you challenging the others for promotions?
No, my lord,
You
because
are questioning their seniority.
seniority, my
Then
lord.
why are you challenging their promotion?
And one more thing, my lord, seniority and this promotion is granted, my lord, without the approval of the competent authority. Now, my lord, we have already filed another writ petition, my lord, which is pending before this court, my lord, for non-granting of our promotion, my lord.
What is your prayer here?
My lord, my prayer is, my lord, their promotion is illegal because it will affect my seniority. And my lord, this promotion, my lord, is illegal. Now, this is not, my lord, as per the approval of the competent
No,
authority.
you are appointed in 1 post.
My
right?
1 post, my lord.
So you are entitled to a promotion to a higher post.
Higher post, my lord.
How many posts?
My lord, 1 post.
1
suppose.
post.
But my lord,
So
now,
you can only pray before the court that your promotion should be given to X post. And if Y is appointed in that X post, you are challenging Y's appointment. Right? Now, other persons being promoted, your seniority has been displaced. You will question it only when you go and be promoted to that post. First, you have to be in that post.
my lord, because now we are in the post of forester grade 1.
Ah,
Now, this person, my lord, the private respondent, were also in the forester grade 1.
Very
They
well.
are junior.
Very
Now,
well.
they are already promoted to the post of deputy ranger.
Maybe,
Now,
but
my
then
lord,
you are
the
entitled
subsequent, in the subsequent higher post promotion, my lord.
to.
Now, if we are promoted, my lord, subsequent stage, now in the next higher, my lord, post, we may be, my lord, junior.
You may be junior, that is on the.
Till that, my lord, our promotion has not been granted, my
So
lord.
your promotion not granted, we'll examine that. So we are asking you, why are you challenging all these persons' promotions
Lord,
when you are only 3
my lord,
persons?
my lord, time to time, they are granting promotion to the
Maybe
juniors,
they are
my lord.
granted because
But-
of their seniority. You challenge the seniority
But
list.
I am also seen as a seniority, my lord.
How
Already, another petition is pending, my lord, before this court.
So why are
My
you
lord,
filing a second writ petition?
my lord, during pendency of that petition, but this promotion has been granted, my lord. And Lordship may kindly see, this promotion will be granted by the additional principal chief conservator of Forest BTC, my lord. Now he is not the appointing authority, my lord.
Who is for the respondent? Forest. Where is Forest?
Well, if perhaps BTC would be required, BTC. Because the order under challenge by the BTC.
Which order are you challenging?
My lord, page 52.
Hmm.
Now this is the
Huh?
order of 10 persons, my lord. Now remaining persons, my lord, we came to know from the gradation list only. Now other persons were already promoted, my lord.
Who's for BTC? This is by the PCCF,
Additional PCCF, my lord.
additional PCCF. Yes,
Malal will
Mr.
take it,
Gogoi.
Malal will take it up on Friday.
Huh?
Malal will take it up on Friday.
Friday already. List on Friday. On the request made by Mr. Gogoi. Mr. K. Sinha for the petition. Friday.
Problem.
No, please, Your Lordship. So by this writ petition, I'm challenging the 15 transfer orders being issued. And the latest one is on the September 25th. And prior to that, Lordship, on July 23rd, I was transferred and posted to a certain post. This is the annexion number 4, Lordship, page number 17, page number 16. The petitioner was directed to report for duty at Rampur BPHC with immediate effect until further order in the interest of public service. And now again, just after completion of 1 month, in the month of September, another transfer order has been issued, Lordship. The earlier of the office order number such and such dated is in respect of Sri Bolen Kalita is hereby cancelled. And prior to that also, Lordship, I have annexed all the other transfer orders, Lordship. Frequently, I have been transferred from one position to another position, Lordship.
You are appointed as what?
Lordship, the initially when I was appointed, subsequently and presently, and I am holding the post of this medical health inspector, rural health inspector.
Get instructions.
Yes, Lordship. So date navigation.
Heard counsel for parties, petitioner is aggrieved by the, which orders?
By the last order, Lordship, annexure number 85, page number 18, Lordship. 25/9/2025.
By order dated 20.
25, Lordship.
Where is the original? This is the type copy.
No, Lordship, the last page, annexure 5, page number 18.
9/2025, by which the petitioner was petitioner's order of posting passed earlier on 19/7/2025 was cancelled, and the petitioner is directed to report at Rongia BPH with immediate effect. Stop. The petitioner submits that he was earlier transferred on from Upperholi to work at Rongia by order dated 12/11/2024. Subsequently,
Rampur.
he was again directed to report for duty at Rampur BPH by order dated 19/7/2025. And subsequently, this earlier order has been cancelled upon the petitioner joining at Rampur BPH, and he is directed to report back to Rongia BPHC. Being agreed, petitioner has filed his writ petition. MST Bora, Learned Standing Council Health, obtains instructions, seeks liberty to obtain instructions in the matter. Extra
Till
copies
that
be
period of
furnished.
time, Lordship, I may allow to come.
Extra copies be furnished to the Learned Standing Council within the course of the day. Yes?
Till that period of time, Lordship, I may allow to continue servicing.
31st, can you get it by 31st?
Lordship, I'll try my best.
31st, all right. Based on 31st, till the next date fixed, the impugned order dated so and so shall remain stay.
Obliged, Lordship.
62.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, this petition is Lordship challenging an attachment order, Lordship. Then Lordship, one hearing notice along with charge sheet and an order, Lordship, passed in evidence on record, Lordship. The attachment order is at page, Lordship, 60. Page 60. Lordship, I'll come later, Lordship. Lordship, this order has been issued by the Command and Administration, Lordship, Frontier Headquarters, Guwahati, Lordship. It's not my authority, Lordship. And this order is in violation of Lordship, rules 10 subclause 5 and 46(4) of SSB rules, Lordship. Then Lordship, annexure Lordship P, annexure not P, Lordship. Lordship. Annexure P, Lordship. P along with the charge sheet, Lordship.
Which order are you challenging now?
Lordship 3, Lordship. Attachment order.
Page number?
Page number, Lordship 60. Then Lordship 62. Along with 62, Lordship 63. 63 also, Lordship, charge sheet. Along with page number 62, Lordship. This the Lordship, charge sheet is in violation of the principle of national justice and Lordship Rule 175 and 177 of SSB rules, Lordship. And then Lordship, the last order which is at page, Lordship.
Why is it
70.
in violation? Why is
So I will going to that, Lordship. Lordship, the fact is that, Lordship, in the month of Lordship, October 2022, Lordship,
Ah.
I was transferred to Dirang.
SSB rules, SSB Act and rules, yes.
I was transferred to Dirang, Lordship,
Mm.
as Lordship Deputy, Deputy Judge Attorney General, Lordship, equivalent to the post of Deputy Commandant, Lordship. Lordship, on joining, Lordship, I observed some illegalities, Lordship, and accordingly, Lordship, I informed it to the DIG, Lordship, and then, Lordship, I submitted Lordship grievance before the higher authority, which is at page, Lordship, 28, Lordship. After that, Lordship, I lodged a complaint also. Lordship, complaint is at page, Lordship, 32.
So why do you say it is violative? Under
Because
what provision?
I will go to that, Lordship. I am the complainant, Lordship. And subsequently, I have been succeeded, Lordship. I am the sole witness, Lordship, in the proceeding, Lordship. And based on my complaint, Lordship, Court of Inquiry was convened, Lordship. Findings of Court of and the Lordship, Court of Inquiry, Lordship, was convened, which is at page, Lordship, 34, Lordship. Court of Inquiry against, Lordship, 3 persons, Lordship, based on my complaint, Lordship. And the findings of Court of Inquiry, Lordship, specifically 44, Lordship, page 44. As alleged by me, Lordship, 3 persons were found, Lordship. Opinion of the Court of Inquiry, Lordship. Specific, Lordship. Upon examination of witnesses, statement, available documents, findings, and conclusions, the opinion of the Court of Inquiry is as follows. After inquiry, it was found that so and so letter, which I have alleged, Lordship, everything was found, Lordship, correct, Lordship. After that, Lordship, the DIG, Lordship, Bomdila, Lordship, directed disciplinary actions against the accused persons, Lordship, alleged persons, Lordship. And accordingly, Lordship, attachment order was also issued against them, Lordship. But, Lordship, that was not done. And on the contrary, Lordship, they were attached in the Frontier Headquarters, Guwahati, Lordship. Being a witness, Lordship, sole witness and the complainant, Lordship, I send a mail also, Lordship, which is at page 51. 51, Lordship, page 51, Lordship. For initiating the disciplinary proceeding before the competent authority, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, summon or issued, Lordship, to the witness. I am the first witness, Lordship. I am being the complainant, Lordship. I was also summoned, Lordship. Summon is at page 52. Page 52, Lordship.
Where is the Court of Inquiry report?
Court of Inquiry is at page, Lordship, Annexure E, Lordship, page 36 onwards, Lordship.
Where is the finding?
Finding is, Lordship, 44, page 44. Nothing against me, Lordship. I am the complainant, Lordship, based on my complaint, Lordship. First page, Lordship, 36, based on my complaint, Lordship. Page 36, Lordship. First paragraph may kindly be perused, Lordship. On 5/12/2023, Sri So-and-so, Deputy Commandant, 30th Battalion, made a written complaint against Sri So-and-so, second in command officer, 30th Battalion, to the Deputy Inspector General, Sector Headquarters, which contains the following allegations. Witness number 1, A to S. Lordship, these were my allegations, Lordship. And Lordship, the opinion is 44, Lordship. Allegations were found, Lordship, correct, genuine, Lordship. And accordingly, Lordship, disciplinary proceeding initiated, Lordship. Where I was initially, Lordship, I was summoned as a witness, Lordship, which is at page 52, Lordship. Page 52, Lordship. Page 52. And surprisingly, Lordship, that page 60, Lordship. Surprisingly, page 60, impugn, Lordship. Though I am a complainant, Lordship, I have been attached and directed to appear, Lordship, before the disciplinary authority, Lordship, for evidence on record, Lordship. A charge sheet also issued, Lordship. Charge sheet also issued to me, Lordship. Along with this charge sheet, Lordship, no Court of Inquiry report, list of witnesses were not furnished, Lordship.
for which lordship I submitted a representation which is at page 64. Page 64 lordship. Page 64 dated 3/10/2025 lordship. Then page 4 of the reply of my representation lordship. After that lordship, Court of Inquiry report has furnished to me lordship. One that is which contains lordship 1260 pages lordship. 1260 pages findings was furnished to me lordship. And that time also lordship, no list of witnesses were furnished to me lordship. That is the violation of national justice lordship. And according thereafter lordship, page lordship 70. This order has been passed. On third lordship, notice of hearing was issued. On the same date, I submitted application for furnishing the documents, list of dates, list of witness, Court of Inquiry lordship. On fourth, 1260 pages, Court of Inquiry.
Where is the charge sheet against you?
Charge is against me, charges lordship, page lordship, just a minute lordship. Charge is lordship, page 63 lordship, page 63. Charges. And these charges were lordship prior to the joining of, part of my joining lordship. 1/10/2022, I joined in the unit in the month
And
of
where is
October.
where is the other proceeding conducted?
Lordship, conducted lordship,
Where is the other proceeding being conducted? It is complete or it is still pending?
still pending lordship,
Where? Which headquarters?
in a Frontier headquarter lordship. They are not the authority
Where is,
lordship.
where is that frontier headquarter?
Frontier headquarter Guwahati lordship,
Guwahati.
Guwahati lordship.
And
And
where is your,
place of posting is in Arunachal Pradesh lordship.
but
Commandant-
who has issued the charge sheet?
Charge sheet issued by the commandant lordship. Commandant lordship,
Guwahati.
Guwahati lordship. And attachment order also Guwahati lordship, commandant Guwahati.
Yes, Mr. Doctor. You are saying this is violative of which rule
Lordship,
and which
Lordship.
rule?
Rule lordship, lordship 10/5,
Show us.
10/5/46,
Show us,
46/4,
show us.
lordship
10.
10/5 lordship.
10/5.
10/5.
Section or rule?
Rule lordship, rule 10/5,
10/5.
10/5. 10/5. Rule 5. Lordship. Command. Subject to the provisions of this act, disciplinary powers over a person subject to the act shall be exercised by the commandant of the battalions or unit to which such a person belongs or the officer on whom command has devolved in accordance with sub-rule 2, Lordship. So my commanding officer is, Lordship, 30 Battalion SSB, Dirang, Lordship. Not the commanding officer, Lordship, Frontier Headquarter, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Doctor, what do you say?
Notice may go. Otherwise, my lord, no cause of action arose.
Why?
He is challenging the charge sheet
Yes.
here and attachment order. But as per the observation of the Honorable Supreme Court, charge sheet against the charge sheet, the petition, the person concerned cannot invoke the jurisdiction of the jurisdiction under Article 226. My lord, another is whether the impugn order of the petition is issued by the competent authority is not.
That is the
Competent
question
authority
he is raising.
or not.
He says the person concerned who has issued the charge sheet is not the competent authority.
Then for that minor instruction is necessary.
Not only that,
But in the event, what will happen? He is being directed to be posted.
not only that, Lordship, without any basis, I have been charged.
Where is the posting order?
Posting order, Lordship, I have not annexed, Lordship.
No, you're being attached by which order?
Lordship, annexer, Lordship, attachment order is at page, Lordship, 60, Lordship, 60. 60.
60.
So you are still posted in Dirang.
Dirang Lordship. Still posted in Dirang. And my lord, without any basis, I have
What
been
is the
suspended.
effect of this attachment order?
Lordship, attachment order is at page 60.
What is the effect?
Nothing, Lordship. Nothing, Lordship.
Nothing.
Proceeding has not been initiated till that, Lordship.
Heard. Mr. H. Talukdar, counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner is before this court, putting a challenge to the charge sheet dated 8/10, 3/10,
3/10, Lordship.
2025, issued by Commandant within bracket administration, Frontier HQ SSB Guwahati. As also the office order dated 3/10/2025, whereby issued by the said authority, whereby the petitioner was attached temporarily at the Frontier headquarters, Guwahati, in connection with the disciplinary proceedings initiated. Well, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that it is the petitioner who is the complainant in respect of some against some
Second in command of the unit
action
and two others.
unauthorized action taken by the second in command of the SSB Dirang, again, and along with some other personnel in respect of misuse of property belonging to SSB. Stop. The court of inquiry, which was conducted, concluded that the complaint made by the petitioner is well founded. Stop. However, being thus situated, the petitioner being posted at SSB Dirang was surprised to be served with the orders dated 3/10/2025, which is presently being assailed in the present proceedings. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner, referring to Rule 10(5) of the SSB Rules 2009, submits that
46(4) also, Lordship.
the disciplinary powers over a person subject to the Act shall be exercised by the commandant of the battalion or the unit to which a person belongs, or the officer on whom command has devolved in accordance with Sub-Rule 2. Stop. Then
46(4).
46 what?
46
Rule.
Rule Lordship. 46(4). This is applicable in
The counsel for the petitioner therefore submits that the authorities have proceeded to initiate the disciplinary proceedings in a vindictive manner, merely because the petitioner was a complainant against the second in command of the 30th Battalion, SSB Dirang, District West Kameng, the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Stop. He therefore submits that the very proceedings and the attachment order, being contrary to the Act and the rules governing the services of the SSB, the same is required to be interfered with, satisfied and quashed, and during the pendency of the writ petition, adequate interim orders be granted. Para. Mr. A.K. Dotto, on the other end, learned CGC representing the respondent, submits that at this stage, only the notice for proceeding is initiated and no orders have been passed. Therefore, the writ petition at this stage is premature. But having heard counsel for parties, let notice issue returnable 4 weeks. Mr. A.K. Dotto represents all the respondents. Therefore, notices are waived. Extra copies will be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. Issue notice on the interim prayer. Returnable on 10th of November.
Till then, lordship, status quo may be granted. lordship.
No, make it 14th of November.
Status quo order.
No,
Status quo, lordship. I will suffer, lordship.
what suffering? This is only a notice. You submit your reply, we'll see by the next date. You are challenging the proceedings.
Proceedings, lordship.
So the
Particularly the assessment order.
will not proceed to pass any further order in respect of the departmental proceedings initiated against the writ petitioner without leave of the court. List again on 14th of November.
Obliged, lordship.
Item 58. 58, my lords, the person, though he retired as a ranger, so there's now his pay has been raised. He was drawing salary as a deputy ranger, but he was given a promotion. So that his last drawal was, on papers, it was 8,000 something. Now it has been increased to 10,000 something. That pay slip is not coming from the AG office. It has to be issued by the AG. Only
Yes,
after
AG.
then, my lord, we can upload it for the pension. my lords.
Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned counsel, representing the accountant general, submits that appropriate instructions are required in the matter. He prays for 2 weeks. Mr. D. Gogoi for forest, Mr. Ahmed for petitioner.
Date
After 2 weeks mentioned.
it mentioned. Obliged.
59.
Also, we'll post it next week.
None represents the petitioner even after the matter is called twice. Mr. A. Sharma represents the oil.
That's one.
Oil India.
Oil India.
List this matter on 27th of
Obliged.
October.
So admission, I think 13 for order, I think 13.
Petitioners were unsuccessful in a selection drive for drivers. They have
Why
neither
is
taken,
it for orders today?
they have not taken step on a private respondents. Neither have they appeared before Lawajima court. Also.
No,
I think they have lost interest.
None appears for the petitioner on court. Mr. A. Sharma for the
Oil India.
London, Oil India. Office note reflects that fresh steps on respondent 6 and 7 directed to be taken has not been received in spite of orders being passed by the Lawajima court. Accordingly, it appears that the writ petitioners are not desirous of pursuing the writ petition. The same therefore stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Interim orders, if any, stand vacated. Pending ayes are also dismissed.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 15.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, this IA has been registered in pursuance to the order dated 3/6/2022, Lordship. Relevant paragraph, Your Lordship will find at page number 28, Lordship.
28.
Lordship, paragraph 21 and 22, Lordship.
Yes, what is to be done today?
Lordship, they are supposed to file their affidavit, Lordship.
For week times, Lordship.
Hmm?
It's already ready, the Lordship. We can find it within a week time, Lordship. 1 week time, Lordship.
Mr.
N.K. Sharma,
N.
Lordship.
K. Sharma for
Appearing on
appearing
behalf
for the
of
Guwahati High Court. Guwahati High Court.
Lordship, on behalf of educators.
And Mr. B. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel, Learned CTC. Learned Counsel represents the opposite party in person, namely Major
Abhimanyu Singh Sindhu.
Abhimanyu Singh Sidhu. Mr. Chakraborty prays for 2 weeks' time to file his objections. List after 2 weeks.
Deeply offended.
16.
Please, Your Lord. If I may be granted 1 week's time to file my reply, Your Lord. There's an affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lord.
Just Mr. Votavu. Counsel for petitioner prays for a week's time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Mr. S. Kotoki appears for
Respondent number 1.
respondent 1.
1, 2, 3, 2, 3.
Respondent 1, 2, and 3. Your MS MD Bora appears for respondent 6 and 7. List again after weeks, 1 week.
Yes, sir. Oblige, Your Lord.
Item 18.
As per order dated 26/9/25, my lord. Petitioner already filed amendment cost title, my lord, for implement of the respondent number P 4, 5, and 6. My lord.
Did you file any application was filed seeking implement?
Yes, my lord. Already disposed of, my lord.
Where is that order?
In the
Nothing is available here.
Yeah.
This is contempt case 566.
Yes, 566.
Last order is that you sought time for implement.
Already disposed of, my lord.
By which order?
That
You are IASN again.
yes.
They are approved,
I number 33222.
Likha. By order dated 26/9/2025 passed in IA 322 of 25 in contempt petition 566 of 2024. The respondents 4, 5, and 6 are impleaded in contempt case number 566 of 2024. Stop. Petitioner was permitted to file amended course title. Stop. This said amended course title has been filed by the writ petitioner on when did you file it?
Already filed, my lord.
When?
Date is not mentioned. my lord.
It is submitted by the counsel for the petitioner that he has already taken steps. He has already filed the amended course title. However, the order sheet and the office notes in contempt petition case number so and so does not reflect whether the amended course title has been filed. There are office to verify and make necessary endorsement in the course title and the matter be listed thereafter.
Yes.
Endorsement in the office note and thereafter list the matters. Office to make necessary endorsements in the record of the case and list the matter thereafter. Yes.
Oblige.
Item 19.
As per my last order, my lord, I was directed to file a fresh post title, my lord. But my lord, there is mistake on my part, my lord. I have not filed my. By tomorrow, my lord, I will file.
Mr. R.M. Dekha, counsel for the petitioner, prays for weeks' time to file the amended course title. Mr. B. Chaudhary for the respondent does not object to the prayer. May list after 1 week.
Interim may finally continue.
List on 31st, interim order to continue till 31st October.
Deep
May please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, after completion of the service, lordship, since none has appeared, lordship, we were allowed to take Dusty, lordship. We have already taken Dusty, lordship. In this regard, affidavit has also been filed, lordship, but till then none has appeared, lordship. Affidavit is also on the record, lordship.
No, in the affidavit,
Yes, lordship, they have received the copy, lordship.
they have received.
Lordship. Kindly peruse page number 25, lordship, of the affidavit, lordship, filed by us, lordship.
Where is the signature?
Lordship, below, lordship.
Haflong Autonomous.
Lordship. Lordship may give a direction to comply with the said order within a period of 3 months. Lordship.
Standing council, what is the Dima Hasao?
Lordship, Dima Hasao Autonomous Council.
Dima Hasao Autonomous, be present. We'll call up in the second half.
Lordship. Oblige, your lordship. Item 21.
Maybe, please, your lordship. My lord, your lordship will find in the annexure A.
We are seeking 7 days time. We had filed an SLP. The SLP is dismissed on 10/10. Now we are seeking only 7 days time for confirmation of service. The order was for confirming service. The file is already under process. 7 days time, he'll get his orders.
My lord, your lordship may fix it on 31, which is the last day of my service mission.
All right.
Consequential benefit not payable.
It is submitted by Mr. A. Sharma, standing counsel.
Under instruction also.
That the SLP preferred by the
IOCL
has been rejected. Therefore, all steps are being taken to comply with the directions passed by this court. He prays for a week's time.
Yes, your lordship.
As agreed to by both counsel. This matter again on 31st of October.
Yes, sir.
Oblige.
Yes, sir.
22.
None appears for the applicant when called. Matter stands passed over to be listed next week.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, kindly the matter may take after 2. After 2.
Why?
My senior is having in DRT some urgent hearing.
Okay, stay down the case.
Have it on Friday. Let it be on Friday. Matter stands deferred to be listed on Friday on the request made by the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary, learned
Respondent 4.
appears for respondent 4, MS.
M. Kalita, respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
M. Kalita for respondents 1, 2, and 3. Friday.
Oblige.
Supplementary list to order section 64.
Meet me, your lordships. Well, I have filed an I for correction of the name of the petitioner. There has been a typing mistake on my part in the cost title of the writ petition that has led to a mistake in the order dated 15/10/2025 in the name of the petitioner and the father's name. If I may be allowed to file as amended cost title, consequently, if the order may be corrected.
In which order, where?
Plus, the order is at page 9 of the
IA.
Unless we'll find the name of the petitioner. The top. It is Tanio Hakum. It should have been Tania Hakum. And in the next line, the son of Takin Hakum, it should have been Takir Hakum.
Instead of N, it should have been R.
Page number
9.
9 of the IA.
I.
What is the IA number?
3363.
This is item number
64.
I think some other file is given here. কিবা বেলেগ আছে নেকি? The wrong file has been, wrong record has been sent.
In that case, can it be taken upon Friday, my lords?
Yes. Item 64. We can't even pass an order. Where do we pass the order? The brief is not here. We will direct the court master to inform the registry that the file has been wrongly listed. It will break already. You can check up it in the second half. If the file is available, we'll pass order today itself. আপনি একটু ঘুরাই দিও কোন একটু ফুল ফাইল দিছে মেইন ফাইল যদি পাইছে পাই যাব নহলে মানডে or Friday or Monday whatever date. Yes. আচ্ছা বলে
65.
Thank you, Lordship. The notice was taken.
It is submitted by the counsel for the petitioner that steps on respondent 6 to 10 have been taken by registered post. However, in pursuance to the part 2 file to some. ইয়াতে এটা ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰি এটা নটিফিকেশ্যন আছে ন ৰেজিষ্টাৰ্ড এডি নহয় এতিয়া স্পীড পষ্ট হ'ব এই লাষ্ট উইকত ওলাইছিল pursuant to the resolution circulated, resolution dated 18th day of July, 18th day of August 2025, circulated by and published in the Gazette of India by the Department of Posts. It has been resolved that speed post, that is speed post letter and speed post parcel, shall henceforth be the basic mail service for address specific delivery of accountable postal items in the country. Stop. Operational guidelines, applicable tariffs, service terms for speed post and valuated services, including registration, are to be notified by the department from time to time. Stop. Pursuant thereto, the registry of this court has also issued a notification. As such, the petitioner is now required to take steps by way of speed post, a registry to thereafter make necessary endorsements, and this the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
All right, 3 weeks. মোৰ টেবুলত থাকিব লাগে পিছত লৈ আহিব
66.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, as per office note dated 16/10/2025, my lord, on tracking of the delivery details, my lord, it is being delivered. It is shown as delivered, my lord. So, my lord, matter may come up for admission, my lord.
Who is respondent 4 and 5?
The chairman and the
For 5, we can appear, lordship.
All right. As per office note 16/10/2025, as per the particulars available in the India Post website, the service is shown to be complete on respondent 4 and 5. Para MSS Burwa, learned government advocate, appears submits that she can represent respondent number 4. 5. 5. And yes, the Mr. P. Bhomik appears on behalf of respondent number 6, Secretary Urban Development Department, BTC.
Actually, we have been newly engaged with Sunday AK Bhuya, the Deputy Standing Council. Any copy, we don't have a relevant document.
Counsel for the petitioner will ensure service of extra copies on all the respondents. Para. None, however, represent the respondent number 5. The respondents will complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit, matter to be listed for admission after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, madam.
For admission items 24 and 25.
Lordship may peruse the last order. On several occasions, there was time given for filing affidavit. Affidavit has not been filed.
Yes,
Lordship, some time may be given to file the affidavit.
we've given you enough time. How much time?
3 weeks time.
Mr. B.P. Bora appears for the writ petitioner. Mr.
AK Ghosh on behalf of Mr. Keko.
A.K. Ghosh on behalf of Mr. K. Kumar, who represents the PNRD department. Stop notice in the matter was issued on 28/7/2023. The response has not been filed by the respondent department. On 3/9/25, opportunity was granted to the respondents to file their respective counter affidavit. However, same has not been filed. Under such circumstances, we permit the respondents to file their affidavit and grant 3 weeks further time, subject to payment of cost of ₹3,000. The affidavits shall be accepted by the registry only upon proof of payment of the cost.
Lordship, the cost may be,
The amount is to be recovered from the hearing officers of the department.
she in regards the cost may not be imposed.
We'll increase it by 3,000 more. Yes.
Lordship, in 25, it is a matter of 2021.
All right, cost in both the matters. Yes.
Deeply.
I think 26.
Lordship, in this matter, I am yet to file my affidavit. Lordship will allow me 3 weeks time, Lordship. It's a
MS
case of
Ranzo
compulsory retirement.
appears for the writ petitioner. Mr. R.K. Dev Chaudhary, learned DSGI, represents the respondents. Further 4 weeks time is prayed for to complete instructions and file necessary affidavit. Prayer made is not objected to by the council or the petitioner, at least after 4 weeks.
So, my
I think 27, 25.
What is the, my lord?
the Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee. None appears for the petitioner on court. Matter stands passed over. Mr. T.C. Sutia, learned additional senior government advocate, represents the respondents. Have they become infractuous?
No, my lord.
May I please vote? Not all this matter has come under the column admission reply not filed. But not the reply has been filed by respondent number 4, and to which, my lord, we have also filed affidavit in reply. My lord, the matter pertains to, my lord, non-grant of pension, my lord. The petitioners, my lord, were initially received.
Any other respondent required to file?
My lord, it is the department, my lord, which has stopped, my lord, because so far as, my
Right,
lord,
it is submitted that the pleadings are complete in the matter. The affidavits are exchanged. Matter therefore be, what is the matter for?
my lord, my pension has been stopped, my lord, without any reason. Since 2022, my lord, I was,
Be listed for admission.
my lord, my lord.
Be listed for admission.
Reply to that,
On 13 November.
But can it be little early, my lord, if
No.
possible, my lord? 2022, my lord, pension.
13 November.
My lord.
Just Mr. P.C. Sutia appears for the respondent. Yes.
31.
No, please, your lordships. Your lordship, the matter pertains to non-updation of the pensionary benefits since his retirement, lordship. The petitioner retired on 31/12/2016, and thereafter he received only 10,300, and that amount has been continuously received till date, lordship. And the reason behind it is that the page 45 may kindly be paid, his lordship. The second paragraph, the department says that for updation of pensionary benefit of pay, the service book required is required, but the service book is not available in this office. So this is their excuse, lordship. And on perusal of the page 46, it may be found that the office of the accountant general has already transmitted the service book, IP statement, column 10, lordship, of page 45. The service book, IP statement, etc., leave account are returned herewith for record in your office to the undersecretary to the Dr. Vasam, PWD building, lordship. I was an employee under PWD building division, lordship. And on last 3 occasions, the learned counsel for the PWD as well as AG office has taken time repeatedly for instruction, lordship, and I am suffering.
I have not taken time. I've already submitted my instructions in the matter, my lord. The service book was returned to the office of the Undersecretary Government of Assam, PWD and NH Department Building Branch, Dispur, my lord. It is not with us.
Yes, public health, PWD.
My lord, I am still awaiting instructions, my lord. The thing is that NH works. Upon a building works, na? It is a confusion. Whatever it is, my lord, I will try to seek. My lord, the thing is that he was an employee of the building, whereas NH works, the chief engineer, page number 45.
You, accountant general, you tell us by, you have returned it to whom?
The office of the, my lord, Undersecretary.
Building and NH.
NH, my lord.
Building and NH.
I am of NH, lordship.
Office
Page
of the
21
Undersecretary Government of Assam, PWD, NH and Building Branch, Dispur.
I
what
was
is
under NH, lordship.
now this page number 45, Mr. Dhor,
my lord,
is by NH. So is it possible that it will be available in the?
My lord, my lord, I will have to seek the instruction from respondent number 1. I have written, my lord.
It's abated still. To clear the confusion, Lordship, page 21 may be perused. The letter of superannuation, Lordship. Page 21. To Momiruddin Sheikh, registered MR labor, so and so, date of superannuation. This is the heading, Office of the Executive Engineer, PWD, NH Abhayapuri Construction. From this office, I have retired, Lordship.
So you have retired, but this page number 45,
Yes, sir.
so, page number 46
46 says,
shows that it has
yes,
been
under
returned
Secretary to the Governor of Assam, building and NH.
building and NH. So
Building and NH.
either it is there with the secretary's office,
It has to be there, madam. That is true.
then why have you not pursued this matter for so long? Mr. Z. Hussain for the petitioner, Mr. R. Hall, learned standing counsel PWD, and Mr. B. Sharma for accountant general. The counsel for the petitioner submits that the pensionary benefits of the petitioner has not been received on the ground that the service book was not available.
No, my lord, pension has been sanctioned. It's for upgradation. It's for upgradation.
Okay.
There has been update. Pension is receiving, madam.
Pension, the upgradation of the pensionary benefits has not been received on the ground that the service book of the writ petitioner is not available in the office of the Executive Engineer PWD NH Abhayapuri Construction Division. Stop. Petitioner superannuated from service under the said office. And he had superannuated prior to fixation of pay. Stop. The counsel for the petitioner, by referring to a communication issued by the Accountant General's office, dated 3005/2022, submits that the service book, IP statement, etc., leave accounts have been returned to the office of the Undersecretary, Government of Assam, PWD Building and NH Division. Stop. Therefore, the claim of the respondent PWD department that the service book is not available appears to be incorrect. Mr. B. Sharma, counsel for the Accountant General, submits that the service book has already been returned. Stop. Mr. R. Dhor, standing counsel, submits that he would like to complete his instructions in this regard and prays for further 2 weeks' time. Mr. Dhor, prayer made is allowed. Mr. Dhor will obtain instructions from the respondent number 1 as to the status of receipt of the service book of the writ petitioner, stated to have been returned back by the office of the Accountant General, and apprise the court on the next date fixed. List again on 10th of November.
Deeply applied.
Right, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have not received the instructions yet.
What is your prayer yet?
Lordship, petitioner had applied for appointment on compensatory ground. Agreed by petitioner had approached this honorable court. This honorable court has issued order for considering his prayer. Thereafter, an order was issued against the petitioner that there are more suitable candidates other than the petitioner. So he should not be appointed on compensatory ground. On being aggrieving, this writ petition is again.
No, how many you filed? How many writ petition? One. One writ.
Two.
Earlier.
Earlier two writ petition.
Two writ petitions.
Second one was filed by filed, but not selling the order for it's not rejection of the petitioner. So that is why liberty was given to the petitioner to avail appropriate remedy.
Where is the order?
Order was with that paid 102.
No. We'll give them further 3 weeks' time to complete their instructions. Mr. B. Kugan, counsel appears for the petitioner. MS so-and-so appears for, on behalf of Mr. S.S. Roy.
Yes.
Appearing for the learner CGC, raised for further 3 weeks' time. Prayer made is allowed. List again. On 10 November. No, sorry. 17 November.
17.
17.
Please, your lordship. My lord, this matter relates to compassionate appointment, my lord. Here, the petitioner was selected, was my lord
Reading the complete
recommended by. the-
affidavit file.
No, my lord, they have not yet filed the affidavit.
You filed.
Yes. Yet to be filed.
Yet to be filed. When do you intend to file it?
Lordship kindly file.
You are representing who?
Yeah, please, Lordship.
Who's
Affidavit is ready, Lordship, and it is sent for vetting, Lordship.
right? Then file it within 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
MSSB Chaudhary, counsel appears for the petitioner. MS.S. Borua, learned government advocate, submits that affidavit is will be available for being filed within a short date. She prays for 2 weeks' time. Prayer made. He is allowed list after 2 weeks, enabling the respondents to file their affidavit. Mr. J. Hendick appears for respondent number 5. Secretary Revenue and Disaster and Joint Secretary 5 and 6. Sorry, 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. Yes.
I think 34 and 35.
Similar matter.
Yes, my lord.
Similar.
Yes, my lord.
List accordingly. All the 3 matters.
No, please, Your Lordship. So in this case, the petitioner is claiming for the DCAG and the PWD department also has processed the DCAG and the AG has also given the indication with regard to the entitlement of the petition. The only difficulties with regard to the finance department, they have not released the amount. That is the reason why Lordship this petition.
Who is finance?
Finance is not a party here.
Finance is not a party.
Not a party.
Then you impede the finance.
Respondent number 6 is also there, Lordship.
Respondent 6 is there. Why do you say it's not a party?
Finance department.
Oh, but yes, 6 is there.
Who is for the finance department?
Finance,
I heard counsel for parties. The counsel for the petitioner submits that the claim of DCRG,
Yes, Lordship.
insofar as the petitioner is concerned, has been approved by the administrative department as well as by the office of the accountant general. However, the matter is pending approval of the finance department. Stop. None represents the finance department.
My lord,
We say that the finance department will obtain instructions and place it before the court after 1 week.
Lordship, a date may be fixed.
my lord will indicate the name of P. Nayak. I will inform him. He is in another court. I will inform
P.
him. my lord.
Nayak, P. Nayak, counsel for the finance will obtain instructions and place it before the court on the next date fixed, list on 31st. Mr. S.K. Neti appears for the accountant general.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this case relates to, my lord, non-payment of particular salary, my lord, and we have challenged the impine order at page 74, my lord. Impine order to court. Page Iman. 60?
74.
Oh, sorry, my lord, 64. 62, 64 operative parties, lordship will see at 64. একটু টাইপ করানো হয়নি।
Area salary rejected.
One part rejected, one part, my lord, they said they will give, my lord, and I have served a copy of my lord. But in fact, my lord, no reality, my lord. Interim order, my lord, no reality has been disbursed. And I have supplied to the copy. Itu নহয় নেকি? Yeah, I think.
Lordship may peruse these instructions. Sanction has been accorded and accordingly the DDO has been requested to pay the amount that is due to the petitioner. After that, it might take some time to disburse the amount.
Why will it take time?
I don't know, the petitioner would be at the position whether he is receiving the amount or not.
No, we have not received, my lord. They have not disbursed yet.
Who's for accountant general?
The first list for now.
Can you play for it? No.
And my name appear, my lord, in the instruction serial number 9.
You said CEO forgot please. To disburse.
Serial number 9.
My lord, the instant petitioner.
Serial number 9.
Dharmendra Saikia TC with effect from 18 to 22 amount, then area and allowance.
Counsel for parties, the claim of the petitioner is
This is for CEO. CEO forgot.
for release of area salary.
Of one party.
For which periods? Area salary for which period?
From 18 to 22, my lord. Serial number 9, lordship will see, with effect from 18 to February 22.
Pursuant to the orders passed by the court, the PNRD department has sanctioned
কোন part বাকি আছে?
the payment of area pay and allowances in respect of 14 number of regularized casual workers of town panchayats under Lokhimpur Zilla Porikot, and which has been communicated by communication dated 26/9/2025. Sorry, 4/10/2025. So the name of the writ petitioner appears at serial number 9. The area salary claim has been partially allowed with effect from December 2018 to February 2022. And the DDO, namely the CEO of Lokhimpur Zilla Porikot, is required to make the necessary payments. Stop. Who is for the DDO?
Lordship, parent you will.
So what is the instruction there?
Lordship, we have only received these instructions yesterday. The updated one will need some time.
Let them do needful, my lord, to make.
The budget allocation has also been made pursuant to the sanction orders passed.
No, what is
Stop.
it?
The respective department councils appearing for the PNRD as well as for the accountant general.
We are not in party in the case, madam.
Then why are you appearing here?
Well, if someone, not just call someone, I'm.
Right. The PNRD will surprise the court as to whether the amount sanction has been released insofar as the writ petitioner is concerned. Let this matter be listed again on 31st October.
And my lord, second part, my lord, lordship kindly turn to page 61, my lord.
Let this instruction be complete first.
My lord, my other salary also 1410
We'll consider it once you receive it.
lordship,
Closing
this is the
the
part
petition.
payment, my lordship. May I please your lordship, my lord? This
Lordship,
is a matter. This is a matter regarded, my lord. GPF leave encashment and GIS mark. The petitioner being the legally married wife of the.
What are your instructions?
Lordship, today morning we have received the instructions. We need some time to file our reply.
Yes,
My lord, this is a matter, my lord, which is.
they
very-
want some time
They
to
want
file.
some time, my lord. But my lordship will see page annexure 7, my lord, where itself reflects their instruction answer, my lord.
And let the instructions be placed on record for the affidavit, by way of an affidavit.
My lord, by
So
way of
that
affidavit.
if required, you can also respond to it. The heard Mr. K.D. Chetri, counsel for the petitioner, MS so appearing on behalf of Mr. S.S. Roy, London CBC, who submits that instructions have been received. She prays for 2 weeks' time to bring these instructions by way of an affidavit. List this matter again on 7th.
Well, in
November.
order, continue, my lord. 27
Matter be listed again on 7th of November, permitting the respondents to complete their instructions.
Some more time maybe.
All right, 10th November. Respondents will ensure that the instructions received from the department in respect of any inquiry conducted towards the writ petitioner be placed before the court on the next date fixed.
Item 40.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
In this case, my lord, petitioner prayed for restoration of her seniority and other benefits, my lord, on the basis of an earlier litigation, my lord, by an order of our case, my lord.
Who's
And
for the respondent here?
today is the date for consideration of the interim prayer, my lord.
What interim prayer?
My lord, no further promotion to be made from the selection procedure, my lord.
Who's for the respondent here? Which department? Which
Health
department?
department. Health.
Health department. Where is
Finance
the
also
standing
there.
council? Health.
Finance also there.
Who's for the health department? You are claiming promotion.
Promotion.
In which
Restoration.
department?
Health department.
Health. So let the health council be present. We'll call it up after a while. After some time. Health department.
Item 43.
May I please, Your Lordship? The present petition, Your Lordship, the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Pleadings complete.
Complete, Your Lordship.
Posted for admission.
Lordship.
Case of dismissal.
Dismissal, Your Lordship, after conviction, Your Lordship.
Appeal also dismissed.
Lordship, appeal, we have
Not filed.
Not filed, Your Lordship, appeal. We have come.
Why not filed?
Your Lordship, in fact, Your Lordship, there is a violation of principles of natural justice. Your Lordship, there is violation of the provisions of Rule 19 of CCS rule, Your Lordship, while dismissing, Your Lordship. That's why we have come directly, Your Lordship.
All right. Pleadings in the writ petition are complete. Matter be listed for admission on 13th November.
Lordship.
Mr. S. Bosrabu for the petitions. Mr. S. K. Mizzi, CBC for the respondent.
44.
30-day progress events.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, HR Das has some personal difficulties today. Kindly take a edge on for 1 week.
HK Das.
HR Das.
HR Das. All right. Prayer is made on behalf of the council for the petition. Matter stands deferred to be listed after 2 weeks. MS. So appears for
Respondent number 5.
respondent 5, MSS Borua 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4. List again accordingly.
I'll hold this.
45.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord? In this matter, Lordship, we have prepared the affidavit, Lordship. We need further 2 weeks time to file, Lordship. Otherwise, it is read.
Mr. B.K. Sharma for the petitioner, Mr.
N.K. Sharma.
N.K. Sharma. Hearing for the respondents, please for further 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit. List again.
my lord, one rejoinder has been filed in item number 47. That rejoinder may also suffice the issue for 46. That will maybe taken into consideration for 46 also.
My lord, MPSC is the main party here, my lord. Nobody is here. I will just try to find out.
You inform them?
Yes, sir. I'm just trying to inform.
The issue before your lordship is, my lord, here the APSC has issued an advertisement for 244 post of assistant engineer civil under the cadre of public works roads and public works building department, my lord. By a notification, and a corrigendum, my lord, the notified vacancies were 244.
Mr. Roy Chaudhary, then let the standing council come. We'll call it up in the second half.
Or your lordship may fix it on 6th November for final disposal.
6th November.
6th November.
11.
6th November for final disposal.
6 or 11 in.
No, but readings are complete.
Readings, because, my lord, your lordship may only just consider the rejoinder file in 47 will suffice the issue for 46.
Right, Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary appears for the writ petition and none appears for the APSC. It is submitted that a rejoinder has been filed in WPC 6506 of 2023 by the respondent APSC, which the counsel for the petitioner submits will suffice the which will be sufficient for disposal of the writ petition. So, accordingly, he submits that the matter be listed on 6th of November for admission hearing.
And, my lord, the government is to produce the records, my lord. That was the direction.
Who will produce?
APSC, man.
Then where is the counsel?
My lord, I have just informed him. Mr. Dr. Pankaj Datta, my lord, from within
We are fixing it on 6th of November. You produce whatever records are there.
Records are here,
You
Lordship.
produce it on 6th of November.
Lordship.
Unless she shall not for the respondents at least on 6th of November. The records to be produced by the APSC on 6th of November. Yes. 6th.
49.
Also, in this case, I am appealing for respondent number 1 and 2. We file our affidavit, my lord.
None appears for the petitioner on call, Mr. R. Shekhar. Then it appears counsel, it appears for respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
And it is submitted that the affidavit has been filed. The same is stock, the same is available on record. List again after 2 weeks.
That is 50, 51, 52.
We have already filed affidavit in Lordship. 50.
Affidavit filed.
Yes.
Can you be taken up the matter, item number 52, Lord?
Any reply required to be filed?
Yes, Lordship, I have already filed the
Filed.
reply, Your Lord.
So let us
Based
keep
on that, I
it
have
for,
filed
let
the-
us keep it for hearing on a,
Yes.
for admission hearing.
Admission hearing, Lordship, it was earlier fixed, Lordship. Thereby, today, the matter has come.
So let it come up on a hearing day. You can,
Your Lordship.
what is the matter? Dismissal?
Lordship, for VRS, challenging the VRS. Lordship.
ERS.
Yes.
He is working for only 8 years, my lord. Thereafter, he was taken the, my lord, voluntary retirement. And 1 year after, my lord, he died.
No, it's
Premature VRS has been.
6th of November.
6th of November.
Lordship,
Pleading
I have
matters
another
are
case
complete
on that day.
as agreed to by the council. Let the matter be listed on
Can we be alternate date, Lordship, as you.
any other date.
Yes, Your Lord.
13?
Your Lordship.
13 November. Mr. T.C. Sotia for the state, Mr. B. Sharma for Accountant General, MS. Your for?
I'm in item number 50 and
Mr. B. Sharma for item in WPC 2273 of 24. And Mr. R.K. Talukdar in WPC 1788 of 23. Yes, 13th.
item 53 and 54.
My lord, here I'm referring in item 54.
Hmm?
The Department is yet to file their affidavit in my item,
54.
my lord.
Who's for the government? PNRD.
You know, my lord.
PNRD, you're filing any affidavit in item 54?
53 I have filed, my lord.
Is
My
it
colleague is there.
53, will it cover 54 also?
Yes, yes, my lord.
But I have not served any
I,
copy.
I'll serve to her, my lord.
Oh, you serve copies then?
There are some changes of lawyers actually, my lord. I will serve. My lord.
Huh? Mr. Mondo, you're appearing for?
53.
53. All right. Mr. H.K. Mondo appears in item
I'll serve.
53, numbered below. MS so-and-so appears for item 54. Mr. S. Dotto, standing counsel, submits that an affidavit has been filed in item number 53.
Yes, sir.
And the same will also cover the stand of the department reflect in respect of item number 54. Accordingly, let these matters be counsel appearing in item number 54, however, submits that a copy of the said affidavit has not been served. Accordingly, Mr. Dotto undertakes to serve extra copies of the affidavit filed on the counsel representing the petitioner in item 54 within the course of the week.
Yes.
Let the matter be listed again on 11th. 11th November.
My lord, there is an interim in my item 54.
Interim orders wherever passed will continue in the next day. Fixed.
Okay.
Hello.
55.
Lordship, this matter relates to non-payment of retirement benefits to the petitioner lordship. Petitioner has not been paid the gratuity, leave encashment, composite transfer grant and committed value of pension lordship. As per the order of this court lordship, he is getting provisional pension lordship.
Is getting.
Lordship. Only provisional pension till date lordship.
Yes, respondents.
My lord,
Your
earlier occasion, this honorable court directed me to produce the records of the case, audit reports. And we have received a communication from the authority.
Hmm?
From the authority. That
to what effect?
that vigilance is there. But case is pursuant to the order of this court, my lord, we have paying provisional pension and other all benefits except the gratuity and the leave encashment. I have stated in my affidavit in para 6, my lord. Yesterday, I received a phone call from the Hyderabad office that some discrepancy they found in pay of the petitioner, and with a requested me to pay for 3 months' time.
3 months.
3 months, my lord. My lord,
We'll give you 3 weeks at best.
it is difficult, my lord.
Why?
At least 2 months, my lord.
No. He's praying for release of his pension. He has received what? Provisional pension.
Or provisional pension.
Pension by virtue of the order of this court, lordship.
My lord, not only provisional pay, other benefits also
No, lord.
we have already paid.
MS
I have
Bishop,
stated in my
petitioner, Mr.
affidavit, my
A.K.
lord.
Bhattal and
At-
CDC represents the respondents. He submits that he has received telephonic instructions from the respondents that some anomalies have been found in his pay, and the particulars of which have not yet been furnished with counsel. He therefore submits that the matter be the respondent will be permitted 4 weeks time complete these instructions. Let the matter therefore be listed again on 26th of November.
My lord, may I pay for 6 weeks time, my lord?
No. We are giving you apprise the court. What is the status? We'll see after that.
Yes.
26th.
Lordship. Much obliged. No worry.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Your lordship, the engaged counsel is on leg at court number 16, lordship. Kindly the matter may be taken at 2, lordship.
At 2.
Yes, lordship.
That's please. 2 p.m.
Timing item 40.
Yes.
Regarding this matter. Interim pay is pays 51.
Yes.
Lordship, regarding this matter, we have already communicated to the department. However, Lordship, based on the order which has been annexed in Annexure 10, the representation had to be submitted. The representation was only submitted in the year 2023. Order is of 2017. We have communicated to the department regarding this aspect. They are going to also inform us, give instructions. I'm awaiting instructions.
You're praying for what? Promotion.
Promotion, my lord, in the first writ petition, they have silenced the advertisement for irregularities. They are the senior most staff nurses under NRHN. But they were not selected. Some juniors has been selected and some persons selected from the private institutions. So on being not selected, they have filed WPC number 3399 of 2011. Then one interim order has been passed to keep 3 posts lying vacant. Then another interim order was passed, irrespective pendency of the petition not a bar for consideration of their case. Second order. During long time of litigations, they have not appointed us. Various orders has been passed, they have not appointed, but only in the order dated, they have appointed on 27/1/2016. The order has been passed on 2000.
Item 40.
Yes, well, 2 orders has been passed in earlier petition. And in the meantime, there is
You are working as what?
staff nurse
Staff nurse.
at Jorhat Medical College and Hospital.
What is your grievance here?
Here, my lord, though by the final order dated 8/6/17, my lord, there is a direction, my lord. That order page 67, kindly peruse.
Yes.
I got appointment during pendency of that writ petition, my lord. We have filed
Yes.
We have filed WPC in the year 2011, my lord.
Hmm.
Then two orders has been passed, my lord. By the first order, it was directed to keep 3 posts vacant. And thereafter, the second order, liberty was granted to give us appointment, my lord, to accommodate the petitioner due to that said 3 posts. But they did not give them as appointment, my lord. And they have gave our appointment on 27/1/16, my lord, that annexure, my lord.
Yes.
It is at page 65.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, the final order has been passed, my lord, annexure page 69, my lord. Order dated 8/6/2017, my lord. It was observed at para 7, my lord, page 70. May I read? On the above projection of the petitioner, the departmental lawyer submit that the representation may be filed if so advised by the petitioner number 1 and 3 who were belatedly appointed on the basis of the advertisement dated so and so. The Director of Health Services will examine the grievances and take a decision on merit of the claim for seniority restoration.
Then what happened?
Then, my lord, we have filed petition, my lord. And my lord, in spite of our grievances raised for restoration of seniority, my lord, they have issued notices for promotions, my lord. And one after another, they have issued notices and gave promoted, make promotions, my lord. Though I am the senior most, my lord. My prayer is to take my restoration of seniority in the similarity situated persons, my lord, with that advertisement, my lord, for the year 2011. My lord. For that reason, my lord, for stay of that promotions, my lord, notice was issued on the interim pair also by this present proceeding on the order dated 8/7/25.
So page number 102 is the final seniority list.
My lord. 102, my lord. We have, in all the notices, we have raised our objections, my lord, but they have
Which
not
is-
considered.
Is the final seniority list published?
My lord.
Which is there? Page number?
102.
102. Where is your name here?
Page 103, my lord. Serial number
1701.
1701, my lord.
And
Ranu Devi.
And according to you, your name should be where?
Much more above, my lord. We have mixed statements, my lord. At para 11, my lord. And other paragraph also, para 11, middle portion we have stated at page 21. They have made some provisional seniority list.
No, your seniority is granted from which date? 2016.
My lord, my seniority, they may have give as per my joining, on the basis of my joining. But I am claiming for restoration of my seniority as per the advertisement dated. So in 2011, my lord, because they are similarly situated persons, my lord. They had now enjoying their promotion, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
My lord, then, so far as the claim of the petitioner is concerned, my lord, pursuant to the honorable court's order at page, my lord, 70. Petitioner preferred a, my lord, representation in 2023, though the order was passed in 2017, claiming the seniority. And
Has it been disposed of?
Yes, lordship will see the last page, page 108 of the writ petition.
But that is on the, that is not the prayer of the petitioner. They want it from.
No, the prayer was that it has been rejected. So
Rejected.
now lordship will, or this court will have to examine whether they will get the, my lord, seniority, petitioner will get the seniority. From the date where the other persons were appointed pursuant to the same selection in 2011, or from 2016 when she has joined. So that is the main, my lord, practice in the present case, or the least in the present petition.
Yes,
As of
they
now.
know, my lord. At the
Where you are filing your affidavit.
My lord, the instruction are awaited, my lord, I have communicated. Lordship will, but my lord, before that, lordship will have to see, my lord, the petitioner will have to point out, see where she should be placed in the, my lord, final gradation list. It is there today, it's uploaded in the website, she has annexed it. And those persons, my lord, who will, if at all the writ petition is allowed, will be, my lord, downgraded. They will have to be made party in the writ petition, my lord. They will be the affected parties. And they are not a party herein. Even, my lord, that position, my lord, which she wants to claim, that way has not been mentioned in the writ petition.
But my lord, in the earlier litigation, my lord, it was, there is a specific direction to keep 3 posts lying vacant.
Different.
And they have gave
Final
me
order
appointment
You
in
were
the,
appointed.
in the year 2016.
To you, at what place should your name be there?
My lord, in the similarly situated persons selected from
Serial number, at serial number? From
Yes, sir.
3.
I have,
Completely has not been annexed, my lord, at least.
my lord, extract, my lord, we have annexed, my lord, is a they have published 3, 4, 6 list, provisional list, my lord.
All right, then let them file their affidavit. We'll examine the matter. What interim orders do you want?
My lord, for stay of the further procedures of selection, my lord.
How can that be? How can that be?
No, my lord, I am then prejudiced, my lord.
When you are prejudiced, then you have to point out that at this particular serial number, your name ought to have been there.
Yes, I have stated, my lord. My lord, page 21, lordship may kindly page 21. It was Para 11, it is a long paragraph, my lord. Therefore, lordship may kindly peruse page 21.
21, yes.
Yes, my lord. Further, the petitioner had also pointed out her shade representation dated 11/9/23 that a provisional gradation list of staff nurses of different health institutions in the state of Assam for the year 23 was prepared by the Director of Health Services Assam, and in the said provisional gradation list, petitioner's name was appeared at serial number 1939, and her date of birth shown as so and so, and her date of joining shown as 1/2/2016 under general category cast by showing the qualification as GNM. The petitioners further stated in her said representation dated 11/9/23 that after going through the provisional gradation list, she found that select list published against the advertisement dated 1/12/2010. The name of the selected staff nurses starts from serial number 145 onwards up to serial number 688. The name of the selected candidates for the year 2012-2014 starts from 7/21. For the year 15 starts from serial number 1368.
No.
I have specifically pointed out here.
2011
Uh,
starts from
2011 from serial number 145 onwards
145
up to serial number 688.
688.
In between them, my name should be appear.
No, not like that. Either above, either at serial 145 or 144.
Then, my lord, they
That you'll have to
have
find out.
issued 2-3 provisional
So
list.
let us get their
2-3
instructions.
provisional list, and my serial number is one after another since, my lord.
We are not closing your prayer. We are only saying that for interim order, we cannot stop all eligible persons not to be promoted because of one particular post. You have to identify that the serial numbers. To 2011-2024 of staff nurses of different health institutions in the state of Assam. To the next higher post of?
No, that he has not, my lord, mentioned also, my lord. What post he is to be promoted,
Ye-
nothing is there, my lord. That's
Yes,
what I'm
I
saying.
have made statements, my lord.
It should be there in the prayer.
Which post?
My assistant matron, my lord, sister in charge.
Like this, cut it. Let the matter be listed again after 3 weeks, enabling the respondents to file necessary affidavit. You file your affidavit, we will consider them.
My lord. Then, my lord, one small prayer, my lord. Promotion post may keep vacant, my lord, for consideration of the petition.
Not necessary. It is your right to promotion will be only when your position in the seniority list as claimed by you is established. Then we can direct them. If they promote, if there is no post, we'll direct them notional benefits.
But already there is a direction from this honorable court, my lord. On the basis of that, I have approached before the authority and filed representation, my lord.
Yes, you have, which has been rejected, you are challenging that.
Right.
Right? So the effect of the earlier order has come to an end. After 3 weeks.
Lordship, may kindly fix the date, may I pray?
On 21st of November.
Obliged.
I think I can 20.
Who's for Karbi Anglong? None appears when the matter is called up.
Passed
over.
Item 64.
I limit.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Plus, there was a typing error in the name of the petitioner and his father's name in the cost title of the writ petition. And so the
Where
name
is
was
your,
entered.
this is what pertaining to Arunachal Pradesh?
Yes, my lordship. It was
Why is it?
it was
here?
filed during the vacations. My lordship.
So it should go, but they should go there.
After the correction of the name, if it is sent back.
Where is the standing, where is the government advocate?
He was here. He was supposed to come. I had informed him.
Let it be on Monday. Monday?
Obliged.
List this matter again on Monday.
Obliged.
Along with the IU. As the government advocate for state of Arunachal Pradesh is not present. Yes.
Obliged.
Monday.
Item 56.
Yes.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Your lordship, as per order dated 24/9/2025, our respondent were supposed to bring up to date instructions first.
My lord, I have an instruction. My lord, it's like the grievance of the petitioner is that, my lord, he is to be, my lord, given a promotion, and there is a period, my lord, that 24/8/19 to 31/8/19.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, we haven't filed, my lord. I have the instruction.
Who's respondent 5?
Respondent number 5 is, my lord.
The executive engineer.
Yes, my lord.
They file. You are representing whom?
PWD, my lord, the entire department.
Well then. Executive engineer has filed.
Yes, executive engineer's file, but my lord, the thing is that it has to come from the commissioner and secretary.
All right. Mr. Dhor, Granite Standing Council, PWD, is permitted 3 weeks further time to complete instructions and file his affidavit on behalf of the commissioner and secretary or special secretary?
Special secretary.
Special secretary, PWD. MS so-and-so appears for the petitioner. Mr. A. Borwa appears for
Respondent number 6.
respondent 6. List again after 3 weeks.
Your lordship, kindly a date may be fixed.
Let them file it. After that, you can make a mention.
Item 59.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, my lord. The petitioner here is an associate engineer in the Oil India Limited.
You are representing Oil India?
Yes.
All right.
So he was working at station 3.
In the morning, he had showed some instruction. Do you have a copy of that instruction? Some instruction was there that you are entitled to retain your quarter.
That is true, my lord. My prayer was that my son is appearing in the matriculation examination, my lord. My service is only for half and 1 year and 5 months now. But I have no objection even then.
You are transferred from where?
From Jorhat to West Bengal, my lord. Only prayer is, my lord, only for 5 months if he is allowed to.
On what ground? You are in a transferable service.
Transferable service, my lord.
Then,
but
is there a ground for consideration on some rules, regulation that in view of your children's?
Actually, for them, my lord, there is no service rule.
Then?
And it is followed, my lord. And we have an information that on earlier occasion, my lord, a student of class 7, in his case also, others transfer was paid.
Show us that order.
But that order is not there, my lord, but we have received instruction that this has happened, my lord. So similar cases are there.
No, but there must be some ground that
No,
some rule, some regulation that
No, rules regulations are not there. I inquired, my lord, that before about 1 year of.
then on what ground are you asking for an order from the court?
My
In
lord.
order to stay, in order to interdict this transfer order, there must be some ground.
My lord, genuine ground is there, my lord. He is appearing in matriculation examination.
Are you a single parent?
My lord,
Are you a single parent?
not single parent, but I have stated in the representation also that mother is seriously ill, my lord. She had been under treatment for several years, my lord.
Where is that statement?
At page 14, my lord, 2A. Next at 2A.
No paragraph?
My lord, here at paragraph 2, I've stated, my youngest son is in class 10 this year and will be appearing for his final matriculation examination in February 2026. Transferring him now will severely hamper his academic future. Furthermore, I cannot leave
You are reading from which paragraph?
Paragraph 2, my lord.
Paragraph 2.
2.
Paragraph 2 is something else.
The request for deferment of transfer.
No, para 2 is page 4 of the writ petition.
No, my lord, annexure.
Oh, annexure.
Annexure at page 14, my lord.
Page 14. Yes.
May I read, my lord? My youngest son is in class 10 this year and will be appearing for his final matriculation examination in February of 2026. Transferring him now will severely hamper his academic future. Furthermore, I cannot leave my family behind as my wife will be left alone with my son and she is unfortunately.
Where are your medical documents in support of your wife's treatment? Any medical documents?
Document I have not annexed, my lord, but
you will have to, because this is your ground for staying. You produce the medical documents.
No, I got it a little bit late, my lord. Well, at the time of filing this, I didn't have. Now I am having.
You have to bring it on record.
My lord.
You have to bring it on record by way of an additional affidavit.
Actually, I was terribly in hurry, my lord, because he has to hand over charge tomorrow.
You bring it on record. Yes. You file an affidavit, you bring it on record.
Ma'am.
Heard Mr. C. Sharma Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. H. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, MS.
H. Begum.
So and so appearing for the Oil India. Petitioner before this court is agreed by the impugned transfer order.
Transfer order.
Where is that order? Page 13.
Page 13, Lordship.
Whereby the petitioner who is posted at Narangi as senior associate engineer -3 within bracket PL OPS PL space OPS bracket closed to T&I department, comma P for Punjab, S for Shimla 8. Sonapur. What is Sonapur? Where is Sonapur?
Sonapur is a place at West Bengal.
In the state of West Bengal. Stop. Learned Senior Counsel submits that he's scheduled to retire superannuate next year.
27th of February.
27th of February. And his son, who is a student of class 10.
10. He has to appear
scheduled to appear in the board's CBSE boards,
Central Board.
CBSE board
CBSE.
examination 2026. Stop. That a part, his wife is suffering from severe ailment as she, his wife is, his spouse is suffering from severe health issues. And she's under constant medical treatment for hemolytic anemia. Stop. As a result, the spouse of the writ petitioner is unable to manage the household requirements. And as a consequence thereof, at this stage, the petitioner has a limited prayer that the transfer order should not be given effect to till the examination of board examination of his son is over. Stop. When will it be over?
On 7th of March, Lordship. At page 23, I have an schedule. 7th of March, it is a paper of social science.
It will be complete on 7th of March. Huh?
Yes.
It is submitted by the counsel for the petitioner that the board's examination of the petitioner's son will be completed on 7th of March 2026. So it is submitted that till that time, the transfer order should not be given effect to, and the petitioner ought not to be released. Go and join in the said post. Stop. Counsel for the petitioner submits that there is a petition at the time of filing the writ petition. The medical documents connecting to his wife were not available, and he therefore craves leave to file the same by way of an affidavit, if so advised. Stop. Whereas the counsel for the respondents, when the matter was called up earlier, the counsel appearing for the respondent submitted on instructions that the petitioner has been permitted by the Oil India authorities to retain the official quarters till his son completes the examination. So, however, it is submitted that the transfer being issued in existences of service, no interim order, no interference is called for. Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, my senior Mr. A. Sharma had appeared in the morning, Lordship, when the matter was called, Lordship. And as per our instruction, Lordship, Oil India Limited has engaged us to appear in this matter, Lordship. And as the matter was already called in the morning, Lordship, and they were not
You belong to two different teams.
So no, Lordship.
I am also
They
Senate
have
counsel
served the
now.
copy.
They have served the
now.
copy to me just now. Lordship.
So
You sort it out between them. Yes, Mr. Sharma had appeared earlier.
Lordship. So, Lordship, what I'm praying, Lordship, as he has been instructed by the oil to appear, Lordship, in this matter, and she has no such instruction right now, Lordship, in her hand. So, Lordship, may kindly take up the matter tomorrow, Lordship. I will inform my senior to appear tomorrow, Lordship. And
We can have it on, we'll have it on Monday. The council appearing for the Oil India submits that the instructions will be necessary in the matter, and considering the urgency, the matter be listed on Monday. Stop. In view of the prayers made, let this petition be listed again on Monday. Meanwhile, the petitioner shall not be released from his present place of posting in pursuance to the order dated 14/8/2025 without leave of the court.
Another order is there, Lordship, at page 16, Lordship. That was, some extension was given. When
We said you would not be released.
No, not released, not yet released.
We are saying no, don't release until without leave of the court.
I think. Lordship-
Meanwhile, the petitioner will also be permitted by All India to retain the quarters in his present place of posting until further orders. List on Monday.
Can that be considered on the next day, Lordship? As my
We are
senior-
giving it till Monday. You ask your senior to appear on Monday. Extra copies of the writ petition be furnished during the course of the day to Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the Oil India. We are recording his name because Mr. Sharma are you with Mr. Sharma also?
No, I'm independent here.
All right. So Mr. Sharma had appeared in the morning.
Okay, they served me coffee just now.
It's okay. We'll record his name.
Okay.
Mr. So-and-so, counsel representing Oil India, assisting Mr. Sharma. Please serve copies. Monday. Order will also.
All right.
I'll seek time. My senior was to appear in this matter. Today he couldn't come, and Mr. Chaudhary, senior counsel Mr. Chaudhary is also in legs, madam.
There's some interim order.
Yes, there is one interim.
As agreed to by the council for the parties, this matter again on.
Next week, my lord, a hearing date.
On 38, my lord. 30, my lord.
October, November, my lord. Thursday. Thursday or
Interim order, you are enjoying an interim order.
No, my lord, we have some urgency, my lord, because there was a direction to conclude some DP. And he's.
On 18 November.
My lord,
18 November.
20 October, my lord.
18 November.
My lord, we have urgency in this case.
What urgency?
My lord, this person is going to superannuate and we are. This year only, my lord. And no, my lord, there's a DP pending and we have been given a direction by this court to conclude the DP. There are some anomalies in the so-called purported anomalies, my lord.
You do it. What is the interim order granted?
Not to proceed, my lord.
You file application for vacating or modification.
My lord, can it be preponed to?
No, they have to file an affidavit also, my lord.
We'll file.
They have not filed affidavit also.
My lord, can be preponed to October, my lord?
No, October.
I understand, my lord's lordship is roster is busy, my lord. Still then, my lord.
30th October.
30th October.
My lord.
All right.
All right.
Is for during attending
No, we want for an adjournment of on some hearing day.
But why is it listed today?
It was fixed lordship last time. There was some.
18 November?
It's on 28 lordship.
2020.
20.
All right. Matter be listed for hearing on 20 November. All right. As agreed to by the council for parties. Mr. Gautam appears for the petitioner. Mr. Gogoi appears for the respondent CGC. FCGC. Yes.
Supplementary for hearing item 68.
Here we were asked to bring some instruction, you know, some more time may kindly be given, 10 days time may be given, you know.
His name has been recommended, you are not
Yes, Your
accepting
Lordship,
that.
they, on last occasion, on 1610, Your Lordship.
Mr. R. Islam for the petitioner, Mr. Kapoor, K. Kapoor, additional AG for the state. Mr. Kapoor renews his prayer for further time. List on seventh November,
Yes, Your Lordship, sir.
7 November.
Much of it.
20. 20 tomorrow. আমি কি দিলো password? Yes, yes.
Lordship, this is a contempt petition, Lordship.
You are appearing for
Dima Hasao.
Dima Hasao.
Yes, Lordship.
All right, please get your instructions why the order has not been completed because none represents the respondents.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, and the new, the present principal secretary is no longer
No, that's all right. Who is for Dima Hasao? Who is the standing counsel for Dima Hasao?
the RM Das, sir. He's not in the court today, Lordship.
RM Das. Mr. P. Bordoloi for the petitioner. Mr. Bordoloi submits that in spite of service on the respondent, sole respondent being affected by dusty service and the copy being received, none has represented. Para. The court is of the view that the presence of respondent, sole respondent would be required to find out whether the directions contained in the order dated 9/9/2024 passed in WPC 3689 of 24 has been complied with. This is the order you want compliance.
Lordship.
Accordingly, at the request of the court, Mr. RM Das, represented today by MS So-and-so, who is the standing counsel of Dima Hasao, is requested to obtain the instructions in the matter. The learned counsel for the petitioner will ensure service of sufficient extra copies on the standing counsel within the course of this week.
Lordship.
And thereafter, the matter be listed.
6th of November, Lordship.
Not 6th. On 19 November.
Lordship. Any date before 19, Lordship. Any
Why?
date, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, there is some other urgency.
No, urgency we understand, but they'll have to also get instructions. You have not been able to secure the presence of the respondent.
Lordship, several times we have tried, Lordship.
Therefore, we are trying it on your behalf by calling these
Lordship.
standing counsel.
Lordship.